13 amazing things that will happen after eating ginger daily. If you haven't eaten ginger so far, it is time to start now since it is really healthy and beneficial for you. The ginger is a plant originating from China and today it is used everywhere in the world. Mostly the ginger root is used for many aims. This plant is tasty and healthy, but can be used in countless ways in food. This spice is added in savory and dessert meals but also in many recipes for beverages. This is the list of all the benefits. 1. Fighting cancer. This plant can fight ovary cancer cells much safer than chemo or drugs that have platinum in them. Ginger will also lower the intestine and colon inflammation and reduce colon cancer risk too. 2. Less inflammation. Cell inflammation is treated by ginger due to the gingerols inside. This removes pain and swelling in muscles in cases of arthritis and muscle pain. Also prevents obesity, diabetes, Alzheimer's too. 3. No acid reflux. A study in the journal Molecular Research and Food Nutrition said the ginger items are 6 times better than acid-blocking drugs. Those drugs damage the belly lining and might make ulcers and even belly cancer. Read, The Cure for Acid Reflux, Heartburn and Bloating That No Doctor Thinks to Prescribe. 4. No morning sickness. For pregnant women, it is best to talk with a doctor first before trying this. Some women said ginger lowered the nausea occasions and vomiting too. It is best to have 200 mg tablets every 4 hours. 5. Less soreness in throat and coughs. The best known remedy with ginger. Slice the ginger and add it in boiling water, then add honey and lemon here. This also removes congestion in the nasal paths. 6. Better digestion and no flatulence. If you have an upset belly, boil ginger chunks for a few minutes and after this add honey for taste. This soothes upset belly. For flatulence, get 250 to 500 mg pills, 3 times daily. 7. No headache. If you have a migraine, ginger and cayenne mix and mint too will do the job. Use pinched cayenne and 1 teaspoon dry mint and ginger slices to simmer. Use honey for taste. 8. Soothing toothache. Relieve this pain with ginger. Rub it raw on the gums and no more pain. 9. Better blood flow. Use 50 grams ginger grated and get its juice. Add this in basin with 5 liters hot water. Apply to needed area. This removes tox and residue. Other ginger benefits. Prevent nausea and vomiting post-operation by chewing ginger. Chew ginger before meals to make more digestion juices and improve appetite. For muscle strains, mix ginger paste and turmeric and rub where is needed, 2 times daily. Have a glass of ginger water every morning for leveled blood glucose.